My name is Kamille, and you're watching Disney Channel. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who don't know, my name is Kamille, and today we will be doing an unboxing of a designer. They are Black owned, and it's a designer that I've been hunting down this bag for so long. They are always sold out. I literally was hunting down this bag on the website because I was like, I don't want to buy it from a reseller. I want to buy it from the brand. I had like all my notifications on. I literally checked the site during this time, like almost daily. I finally set up the notification to get stuff through my email. So I got the email that told me that the bag was available. So I swiftly got myself on the site and I made it happen. And you know, part of the problem is that I like to spend money, but also I think that it went to a brand that I can honestly fully support. They are not just because they're Black owned, but because they do stand for something. They believe in, you know, people having rights, and they support like the fact that Black Lives Matter, which is something that's really important to me as a Black person, a Black woman at that. I like supporting brands that do advocate for others and not just, you know, their communities and not just themselves. They advocate for everyone, and you know, it is a plus that they do happen to be Black owned as well. You know, it's not very many Black owned designers that are dominating in the fashion realm, and the fact that, you know, they are doing what they're doing, and they've been doing so since I believe 2005, and I'm pretty sure even before then. But yeah, for those of you who don't know, my bag is from Telfar. Yeah, so I have the box. I'm gonna unbox it. I'm really excited because I have been waiting for it for so long, and it's just really like, you know, it's one of those things where, yes, I get it, it's like, you know, designer, but I have no problem spending my money on people who support me and want me to, you know, to thrive. You know, I have no issue supporting any small business or brand or anything, but yeah, so it comes with a little packaging slip. So, of course, this is what it looks like in the bag. Well, in the little bag that it's held in. It does come with a little dust bag. I got the small shopper, so it's the small white one. And this is actually my first time opening the bag. Like, this is my first impression, first everything. And it's like, I'm over like joy because, you know, I just feel like, you know, they deserve it. It's so cute and tiny. It's so cute. I know it's like, it like ruins the appeal because I'm just like, it's so tiny. But yeah, this is super exciting. It's cute. Now it is, right now it's not breathing right now, so once I get it to expand. So I got the small shopper. So, you know, I do have to like put stuff in it, let it spread or whatever. When it gets bigger, it's gonna look, you know, cute and stuff. It's gonna look like it breathed instead of being folded down, which is normal. When your stuff is like in a box and stuff, you know, it's not gonna look, it looks pristine, I'm not gonna lie. Look, Chris, look at that. Look at that, popping. I picked white because I've never had a white bag. And what better use of like a cute little white bag than like, you know, something small that I wanted. I like small bags. I'm the queen of tiny crossbodies, shoulder bags, whatever you call it. And then I don't even have to use the straps. Like, I've seen so many ways that you can style it. So I'm really excited. It's vegan leather also, so no animals were harmed. So that's all the more reason to like purchase from a brand like this. I feel like it. You know, I think it's really cute. I mean, the logo has been going around for some time now. I remember when I didn't know too much about the brand at first. I was just, you know, intrigued because I was like, oh, these are cute. These are cute. And I just kept seeing more and more people with it. And I was just like, that's when I became more interested in the brand because I had never seen anything like it before. Like, I would see it here and there. And now that I have it, I'm like wanting more. Like, I have myself on the wait list for almost every color that I want, that I can think of. I have myself on the wait list to get it. And I'm really thrilled. I'm so excited. Like, it's gonna look so cute with my fit. I'm gonna wear the mess out of this, so be prepared. Be prepared. And I know right now it's actually folded right now still because, you know, I haven't fit anything in it. So just bear with it. You know, it is a small shopper, so it is pretty petite. And I do like the fact that it can just, you know, fold up. Like, that's something you gotta look at because it saves space. Like, and I got this cute little dust bag. I like how simple it is. It's simplistic. Looking at the logo, I'm gonna be like, I know what that bag is. Popping. So I really like, you know, I respect the brand. I really do. And I'm really excited that I got the bag. So with that being said, I hope that you guys will copy with Telfar. I do know they do have like, they are unisex. So some people use the larger bags as carry-ons. Some people use it as like the medium-sized bags as you know, work bags, because I know I've heard that they do fit like your 13-inch laptop. I went with the small bag for my first time because you know, I just wanted a small white bag, and you know, this was the brand that I was gonna go with regardless. So this was the style, the color, that was all I was gonna go for. And now that I have this one, I'm just ready to like spend my coin on more. So I hope that you guys will like, comment, and subscribe, and tune into my next video. Bye.
Rock right up to the